Depository Section 232. A depository is a company under SEBI regulations that holds securities in electronic form and facilitates electronic transactions, eliminating the need for physical certificates. Key features and functions of a depository. 1. Electronic holding of securities. A depository holds securities of investors in electronic form, known as dematerialized (DEMAT) form, instead of physical certificates. This enables investors to hold, transfer, and transact in securities electronically. 2. Dematerialization and rematerialization. Depositories facilitate the process of converting physical securities into electronic form, dematerialization, and vice versa, rematerialization, thereby enhancing liquidity and efficiency in securities trading. 3. Centralized record keeping. Depositories maintain centralized records of securities ownership, eliminating risks associated with loss, theft, or forgery of physical certificates. 4. Participant network. Depositories operate through a network of participants, including banks, financial institutions, and stockbrokers, who interact with investors and facilitate electronic transactions on their behalf. 5. Benefits to investors. Investing through a depository offers several benefits to investors, including reduced transaction costs and paperwork associated with securities transactions, faster settlement of trades compared to physical certificates, enhanced transparency and security of ownership, regulatory framework and oversight. 1. SEBI regulations. Depositories are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, under the Depositories Act, 1996, and SEBI, Depositories and Participants, Regulations, 2018. These regulations govern their operations, participant eligibility criteria, investor protection measures, and dispute resolution mechanisms. 2. Depository participants, DPs. DPs are intermediaries registered with the depository who provide services to investors, such as opening DEMAT accounts, maintaining securities balances, and facilitating transactions. 3. Rights and obligations. Investors holding securities in DEMAT form through a depository retain all rights and privileges associated with ownership, including dividends, bonus issues, and corporate actions, as per the provisions of the Companies Act and SEBI regulations. Importance and advantages. 1. Market efficiency. Depositories play a crucial role in enhancing market efficiency by streamlining securities settlement processes and reducing transaction risks and costs. 2. Risk mitigation. Electronic holding of securities minimizes risks associated with physical certificates, such as loss, theft, or damage. 3. Global compatibility. The adoption of depositories aligns with global practices in securities trading and enhances India's competitiveness in the international financial markets.